Hello, my songwriters! Happy New Year, everyone! I want to start this session with this quote. Although no one can go back and make a brand new start, anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. Have a wonderful new year. May this 2021 bring us happiness, joy, and a lot of health and peace. So, this is the first songwriting class of the year, and we have to keep working on our song. So, here's the topic for today's class. Complete the verses of your song. The objective. By the end of this session, you will be able to continue the storytelling process to write the verses of your song, applying the proper songwriting techniques. So, we have to keep working on the verse, but we have to make a little review for you to be sure what is the proper process that you have to follow to complete your song. So the verse, what is the verse? The verse of a song are simply there to build anticipation for the chorus. They help the chorus bring the message because the chorus is the big message of the song. So the verse gets you ready for the chorus. The verse tells the story. Mostly all verses will have the same melody, but completely different lyrics. However, you might find examples where verse 3 is the same as verse 1. So in order to keep working on the verse, on the ideas of your song, we have to remember a few techniques that we used to apply in this storytelling process of writing a song. So, for example, imagery. The concept of imagery in lyric writing is the simple one, using words to create image or ideas in the mind of the listener instead of telling about the song or ideas of the concept. Okay, how to engage to the listener in this scene, as you already know, are three questions: where, when, and whom the song is happening. So we have also sensory writing. Okay, this sensory writing is the imagery recreates or creates a strong experience for the listener, engage them, and makes the song memorable. Okay, we have the a few sense. Okay, we have the five senses, and also I add movement and emotion. Okay, keys of connection with the audience. What else? We have the three box technique. Okay, the box number one, introduce the information that you want to tell in your story. Box number two, moving forward in past. Maybe the first verse could be at first, the beginning, last week, last year, when I was born is in the past. And then we have to move to the present. Now I am. Now we are. This place is. And then we can finish our story by saying the future. What we figure the future. Okay, we have to go to the future. We will. I will be, and so on. Box number three, different perspectives. Okay, you have to talk about you, we, us, they, I. You know how this works. Okay. So here I have a few examples. Okay, you can write your song by verse number one, chorus number one, and then you can go to verse number two, chorus number two, verse number three, and chorus three. This is an option. Another option will be verse one, verse two, chorus. Verse 3, chorus 2, and chorus 3. And the other option will be verse 1, verse 2, chorus 1. And then verse 3, verse 4, and chorus 2. In this type of song, the verse number 1 can be the same as the verse number 3. Or, in other cases, verse 2 can be the same, can be a repetition on verse 4, and then you have a full song. Okay? So, what is the task? Oh, just for the record, there are more options of verse structures, not just these 3. The task for this week: choose the song pattern you liked and write all the verses of your song. Upload it to Schoology. On live session, we're going to read a few verses and we will give you a feedback. Okay, so have a fun week. This is our first week of this 2021. And I hope you enjoy working in your process, in your storytelling process. Okay, guys, see you on live session. Bye bye.